Okay, let me add a new control. Okay, and let's call it left joystick X. Okay, one. Okay, joystick axis. Okay, so I guess this is for moving left and right. So to check for that, we can use input dot get axis our left joystick X. Okay, so here we can check for get axis float horizontal axis equals to input dot get axis. Okay, so this is for getting the input from the game controller's left axis. Okay, and we get left joystick X. Okay, joystick button 16. Okay, I don't think it's joystick button 16. Okay, if you hear some background noises, that's because I live in a rather noisy environment. Okay, but hopefully you just hear my voice. Okay, input 1/2 left joystick X. Okay, or so if we want to check for left, so H axis is less than 0. Okay, just for testing. Okay, we'll display the value of the H axis. Okay, let's start the game and test it out. Okay, so the left axis should be this one, I guess. Yep. So if I move it, okay, so it's 0. Okay, seems like it's not getting the input from the left axis here. Okay, if I clear it, yeah. Okay, so it's the mapping, I guess. x-axis. Okay, so there is going to be a lot of testing and a lot of trial and errors. Okay, it's still not getting the horizontal axis from the game controller. So it could be due to not mapping the correct control. So let me just check the mapping. X-axis and Y-axis. Okay, so axis ID is X. Okay, I wonder if I need to okay, let me just refresh. Okay, it's working here. Mouse X. Horizontal. Okay, so it seems that there is a default horizontal axis that is already created by the input manager here. Okay, I could try to use this instead. Okay, so let's go back to mono develop. Okay, so instead of left joystick X, so I think it could be Unity trying to make it, or rather make our job easier, since this can be used to check for your left and right keys on the keyboard as well. Okay, horizontal. Okay, let's try the horizontal axis again. Okay, just waiting for the game to load. Okay, so if I just use the if I just use the left and right key on the keyboard, notice that the H horizontal axis is not 0 anymore. Okay, it's 1 here, since I'm holding on to the left key now, and it's -1. Okay, so it the input manager can detect the horizontal axis for for your keyboard. I wonder if it's because it has the same name, which is why it wasn't working for the joystick. So why don't we just test that out? Let's rename this to left joystick X. And let's go to mono develop and change this back to left joystick X. Okay. So it's still not detecting the input from the axis. Which is weird because it works here. Left joystick X, left joystick X. This horizontal is for there must be some reason why it's not getting the input from the, or rather why Unity is not getting the input from the controller. Hey, what's up, not Blizzard? How's your day coming along? Oh, hey, thanks, man. We are currently trying to add game controller support for it, although without much luck. So Unity doesn't seem to be detecting the controller. Okay, so detect which button controller okay, sometimes you just need to Google for your answers. Get button now. Okay, let me just try the A button first. Okay, the A button, which is the green colored one. No. Okay, it's not detecting the A button. Joystick button 0. Okay, let's try to do this step by step. Okay, let's try the joystick button 16. No. Okay, what about get button up? Okay, it's weird that we have to do testing like this. Okay, so okay, most likely it should be button 0, 1 or 16. No. Okay, I'm starting to think that we should use input.get key down instead of using get button. Nope. Okay, let me try and get key down, or maybe get key. Okay, it has to be one of these. Okay, so if I press, nope. Okay, input key name A is unknown. Can get key down. Okay, I kind of expected that it wasn't going to be easy to map our first button. Okay, but as I have mentioned previously, once we get that first button down, okay, the rest should be rather easy. Okay. Input name A is unknown. So get key doesn't work. Get mouse button, get touch. Okay, seems like we can't use input.get key or get key down or get key up since it doesn't recognize the A which we have added here to the input manager. So we have to use get button. Okay, so we are going to test input.get button. Okay, so hopefully this works, and of course it doesn't always does so. Okay, let's try and get button. Okay, nope, it's still not detecting anything. Okay, just to make sure that it's not Unity that is okay. That is acting out. I'm just going to unplug the controller and plug it back in. Okay. So we'll know when we plug it back in. So now it's out. Okay, if we go to here, okay, nothing works because I plug it out. Okay, now let's plug it back in. Okay, and it's back online. Okay. Okay, let me just try running the game again. Okay, so Unity doesn't seem to be detecting it. Joystick button 2, 0.